Day 2 of the capital murder trial for Tajmon Robinson began this morning in the 30th District Courtroom. Curtis Jackson sat in today and has a breakdown of what happened.
Jurors today watched surveillance video from the Stripe store where the clerk, 51-year-old Floyd Kurt, was killed during a robbery. Kurt was shot at the Stripes at Southwest Parkway in Taft in February of 2022. Now, in the video, the suspect is seen coming out of a bathroom and going to the counter and asking for a pack of Newport shorts before pulling a handgun and telling Kurt to open the safe. When the suspect gets closer to Kurt, Kurt begins to fight and defend himself, and the suspect fires 3 times and Kurt drops to the floor. The suspect takes lottery tickets and while leaving drops some. He then picks them up and possibly also picks up 1 shell casing. The investigation led to 2 suspects, and when one was eliminated, police focused on Robinson. Video of Robinson's statement to detectives was also played in the 30th District Court this afternoon. Robinson said he had been kicked out of a house and he wanted money to leave town and pick the Stripes because he used to work there. He said he had a gun he bought off the street. Now, at points during the interview, Robinson can be seen laughing and smiling nervously. Robinson said he got rid of all the clothing he was wearing and said that the shooting was an accident and that he felt bad doing what he did, saying, quote, "I don't care. I did it. I didn't mean to hurt him. I don't know why he tried to grab it. Why'd he try to grab it?" End quote, referring to Kurt and the gun. Now, in the video, Robinson said he took the scratch-off tickets because he wasn't thinking straight and knew he couldn't do anything with them because they can be tracked. Now, in the video, Robinson appears to fire 3 shots. Police testified they later found a shell casing and a bullet at the store. Now, police said a second bullet was found in Kurt's clothing, meaning it went through his body but didn't have enough momentum to push through his clothing. They also testified that a 3rd bullet was found in Kurt's body during the autopsy, and days after the shooting, an employee at the store told police a 2nd casing was found behind a cigarette rack. Prosecutors argued that the 3rd casing may have been what Robinson bent down and picked up before exiting the Stripes.
The prosecution is not seeking the death penalty, so Robinson faces life without parole if found guilty. Day 3 is expected to begin tomorrow morning at 8:30. Be sure to stick with us on air and online as we follow this trial.